All right, you just got done doing a Pota activation and you done all your login with your cell phone device. Now you want to upload it to the Pota website. But when you get there, you see this message up here. It says, unfortunately, it doesn't support that screen size for uploading logs. And I used to think that was the end of the game. I'll just have to wait till I get home, which is what I would do in the past. And then one day I was playing around, and this is not a big secret. There's a lot of people that's figured it out, but I'm still seeing this message on social media pop up here and there. So I know there's still, and will be, plenty more people that will run into this problem and wonder, how can I fix it? Some folks may only have their cell phone. They may not have a computer or a tablet or something that they can use. So they feel like they're kind of hit a brick wall, but I'm going to show you how to bust through that wall, and we're going to look at it and go along and solve this problem on your mobile device. So for an example here, I'm using Ham2K Polo. You could be using Hammers or World Radio League, whatever app that you may be using on your phone to log your Pota contacts. And you get done with the Pota activation. This is one that I've done previous at Table Rock State Park in Missouri. Very nice place to go to. Enjoyed it. Now I'm ready to export. So we'll hit our little menu. On Ham Polo, you will go to Operation, bring you to this screen, and then down here at the bottom toward Operation Data, you'll see Manage Operation Logs, which export, import, and manage. So there's your export options. I want to export it in a Pota format. So that's all I need to give Pota. I don't need to give them all this extra fields that comes in a full ADIF. You'll do that, and it'll ask you, you can save it to the files on your phone. I've already done that. It's right there on the top right, kind of grayed out because it's already there. And we're going to go over to Pota.app. You'll hit the hamburger menu at the top left, and you'll go down to My Log Uploads. And this is where you're going to see, unfortunately, uploading logs is not yet supported on this screen size. This is where we used to get bummed out, but we don't have to get bummed out anymore. We can do that. You'll notice it does say, hint, try turning your phone sideways. It just may work. Okay, look there. It just worked. Well, why did it work? Well, let's check what our zoom level is. Look there. My zoom is at 75%. Usually you're going to be at 100%. And if I do that from the get-go at 100%, I turn it sideways, still there. So there's your tip. So whatever, this is Firefox browser that I'm using on the phone. So whichever one that you may be using, go into the settings of that browser, which for me is the hamburger menu at the top right, and I'm looking for zoom. Yours may be called page size or something different depending on what application you're using. But if you go to zoom with it turned horizontal, that's like this. You just hit the minus sign. There's 90%, message is still there. 75%, message is still there. You shouldn't have to go past 75%. This depends on your screen size of your phone. I'm on an iPhone 15, so it's the normal size iPhone of the past several years. Hit the refresh button right here at 75% or 70%, whatever yours is at. And just refreshing it there, I don't have to make it so smaller. I know a lot of us get kind of hard to see without putting our lookers on or explaining glasses, that small text. But once you get that, then you can go back to zoom if you wish. You can zoom it back up. And as long as I don't refresh the page, oh, there it goes, it refreshed. So we'll go back down. Now we got rid of that pesky, unfortunately, because of your screen size message. And we can click in this box here and go to choose files, and we can navigate to where and I could hit open. There it goes. It loads it into the website. And then all I have to do is hit my check marks to confirm that and hit upload for validation. I'm not going to upload for validation because I've already got this log uploaded. I just wanted to share this with y'all on a trick that you could try, because not everybody has a computer or a tablet. They may only have a cell phone, and if that's all you got, or if that's what you want to do right now, you don't have to wait till you get back home or find a computer or whatever. You can do it directly from your phone, depending on your screen size, unless you got a really small phone. They don't make those much anymore these days, but try that trick there. Short, sweet, didn't take very long. Just remember your zoom or your page size. So just for the heck of it, let's go to Pota.app in Google Chrome, And let's see, I'm gonna have to sign in. Got it. We're gonna go down to My Log Uploads. Same thing. Unfortunately, your screen size is incorrect. We'll go horizontal. Still doesn't solve the problem. 3 little dots at the top right in the gray bar, or gray bar for mine because I'm on dark mode. And it's gonna bring up these options. Zoom text is what it's called in Google Chrome. We'll hit zoom text and you got plus and minus there at the top. I'll go minus, minus. Let's see if I can just refresh it from here. So that didn't work. We need to go even more in Chrome. It doesn't give me what percentage I'm at, but there is 3 times I've hit the button. That still didn't work. There's 4 times, still didn't work. So this trick may not work in Google Chrome. I suggest using Firefox. Let's try this trick. Let's go and request the desktop site, and that didn't work either. All right, so I would suggest using Firefox. I have proven here on the video and used it plenty of times. That works. So if you have that trouble, if all you got is Google Chrome or something, download Firefox just for, if you don't like it, download it just for doing this if you want to go ahead and get that done. All right, well, I hope that helped you out a little bit, gave you a little tips and tricks there on how to upload your Pota Logs from your cell phone. And I hope you have fun radioing, and we'll see you later, 73. Oh, wait a minute. There's another video right over there that you may enjoy.